oldu. Genel pişmaniye. Tabii.
We're almost everyone, I guess.
Can we book it for the night?
Unfortunately, no, but that's a very good question. Thank you, Dion. But some people were actually able to stay in Hobbiton for a weekend, and it was in the old mill house right before the bridge right there. For the 10 years of the Hobbit, there was a special event with Airbnb right after, right next to Green Running Hills, right there. And that's why that place was chosen to be Hobbiton. By the way, that's a Monterey pine tree from California. Hey, woo woo! So it's kind of considered natural business for so long that it's not